Hey guys, this is Martin, and today I'm bringing you an unboxing of the Apple fast charging combo for your iPhone 8, iPhone 10, or your iPad Pro. Alright, let's get to it. So what does an Apple fast charging combo actually mean? So to be able to fast charge one of these devices that I mentioned, you will need a USB-C to Lightning cable, and it has to be made by Apple. There are a few on the market from other brands, but unfortunately the chip on the inside does not support the full speed of charging of your device. So even if you have a power brick made by Apple, if you don't have the Apple cable, it's not going to take full use of that speed of charging. The second part of the combo is the 29-watt charger that is bundled with MacBooks. The reason or the way how this combo actually works is that this adapter supports the USB-C power delivery, which is the fast charging protocol that is used by the iPhone 8, iPhone 10, and iPad Pro. But they only work in tandem together. One of these you could replace from a third party, and you know it's not the cable, so you could actually replace this power adapter by a third party made one that has at least 29 watts. Alright, let's get to the unboxing. Alright, let's get to it. So before I actually continue, let me just tell you the prices, because these prices are ridiculous. The price of the 2-meter cable is €39 or dollars, and the price of the power brick is €59 or dollars. So altogether, this is a whopping €100 combo that can fast charge your newly purchased iPhone 8, 10, or iPad Pro. Okay, let's get to the unboxing. It's actually nothing special. We come to the cable itself. Inside there's just some paperwork, safety, and so on. The cable is nicely packed. Let's get this out. All right, so as you've guessed it, the length is 2 meters, and let me show you on the camera the types of connectors, the Lightning and the USB Type-C. Now let's continue with the power brick. It comes inside like this. Again, on the inside we have some safety information. Power brick comes out like that, nothing is left. And let's take this plastic cover off of it. Oh, where's the notch? Here it is. And there we have it. So this is the power brick. You can see that this one comes with the European plug, but you will get the British, the UK, or American style plug if you buy it in your country. Alright guys, thank you for watching. This has been an unboxing of the Apple fast charging combo, which encompasses the USB-C to Lightning cable and the 29-watt power adapter. Thanks for watching.